All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous, original black on black 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 97,000 miles and only 284 idle hours from the city of Long Beach, California. Once again, original black from factory. Does have very minor scratches and about 3 door dings. That's all I was able to see on this bad boy right here. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Window tint from the department, it appears to be like a medium shade all around. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, and once again she is turnkey ready to go to her new home. Folks, as you can see, I do have one hole in the roof where the actual antenna is. It is the actual antenna, is there just for looks, none up. So if you're thinking of maybe taking your car through the express wash, the antenna will stay under solid. It's not gonna fall out and it is not gonna go anywhere. This is an E85 flex fuel vehicle. That is correct, E85, folks. The car looks gorgeous, and she does drive like a dream. My detail crew spent about maybe 4 hours in this particular unit, bringing her back to black. As you guys already know, police departments, they can barely wash their vehicles. So they did put some elbow grease on this particular unit here. No spotlights. Folks, just so you know, this vehicle had been a detective unit for the city of Long Beach. Once again, 97,000 miles and only 284 idle hours. I do have clean lights and lenses in the front. I do have a new set of headlamp assembly. The ones that came with the car, they were yellowish and oxidated, and a lot of you guys know that I don't like to waste my time cleaning those up. And I did give you a new set of headlights on this particular unit, along with new lights, with new bulbs all around. Super sharp looking vehicle, folks. Look at that paint. It is original. Little scratches right there, as I mentioned, but nothing big or major to worry about. E85, okay. I do have a almost new set of rubber on the vehicle. This is how the car came from the department. So it's got nice set of tires all around by Goodyear Eagle RSAs. Let's move on to the interior of the car. As you guys can see, I do have a nice looking interior, matching interior with carpet floors, matching floor mats. However, I am missing the passenger side floor mat. Everything else is there. Seat belts and buckles are in place. Door locks and switches are fully operational from inside and out of the car. So if you have passengers, don't worry, they'll be able to exit the car. And for those of you guys that always ask me what rear differential this car is, this is going to be the Charlie 6. Once again, C6 Charlie 6 rear differential. 355 gears, track lock. This is what a lot of guys actually are looking for. Driver's side seat in perfect shape. I do have a brand new aftermarket center console. Passenger side seat, once again, in perfect shape. Carpet floors, one little tear right there, guys. One little tear right there. But that doesn't affect the drivability of the vehicle. Let me clean this up here real quick. Nice dashboard. I do have 3 microphone hanger holes here This is where the microphone hanger was installed actually. So there it is. Honk works. Working cruise control. Electric retractable pedal. Oh, sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself here. I apologize. Let's go ahead and fire her up.
To go, man. To go and make a difference for someone.
Pressure lights are off. Once again, 97,000 miles. So far, this is not accurate. I reset the clock by accident. 284 idle hours.
3 years due to
Stereo does work.
traumatic stress disorder. And so I was seeing a lot of financial hardship in that time.
Yeah.
I was at
Stereo does work, folks. Red LED, white LED. Blackout option is turned on this vehicle, so every time you open the doors, the little courtesy light will come on. Map lights do work. There you go. Working cruise control, the honk does work. I already rung that. Aftermarket center console, it looks great with the vehicle. Let's go under the hood and the trunk real quick here. Folks, be advised, I am gonna have some items inside the trunk. Those are actually gonna stay here with me. They won't go nowhere. Okay, they're just there for storage. Once again, disregard the boxes. Those are mine. The carpet underneath the boxes is actually in really good shape, not beat up, not tore up, no holes. I do have a semi-new spare tire and wheel that I actually had to go out and buy because when I got the car, it did not come with a spare tire kit. So guess what? You're getting a semi-new tire, rim, floor jack, and pan. Okay. Once again, these items are staying with me. I do apologize for that, but you'll be able to see in the picture what the pictures on eBay, what the trunk looks like. Let's go ahead and step it up here real quick as the time is clicking. Nice paint job. Correction, this is not a paint job. Original, folks. I apologize. This is all original. Does have scratches, some door dings. Nothing big or major to worry about. Clear lights and lenses and light bulbs. Folks, as you can see, the whole vehicle has been detailed. She looks nice. She's ready to go to her new home. She is in immaculate running condition and shape. Great running vehicle. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have a new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Throttle body appears to have been replaced at some point. That is not the original. So a correction, throttle body. What am I saying? Folks, I do apologize. Intake manifold appears to have been replaced at some point already. Transmission service was done. Motorcraft LB fluid and filter. Nice and cold air conditioner. I do have a brand new battery at my expense. Water pump appears to have been replaced at some point, along with the belt tensioner as well. Okay. As always, I did got in between the radiator right here, and I cleaned it out really good. Removed all the dust bunnies. So she's nice and clean. So there's some nice flow air going through the radiator, through the engine bay. Tires are great from the department. Brakes are they're about 80% of the round from the department. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. This was a Long Beach, City and Long Beach vehicle, former detective unit. Folks, I do apologize for my my little mistakes there, but yeah, nothing is scripted here. I'm telling you everything as I go and walk around the vehicle, and I'm giving you everything that I know about the vehicle myself after done my inspection to it. and services. All right, folks, if you guys should have any questions, comments, and you are interested in buying this vehicle, please feel free to reach out to me. You can email me, you can call me, you can text me. All right, you guys, I make it very easy for you guys to get a hold of me. And yes, serious inquiries only, please. I'm not here to waste your time. Please don't waste mine, okay? All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I gotta go. You guys have yourself a great week. I hope you had a great Easter with your family, and please be safe. Thank you, take care, and God bless.